Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is crispy rava cakes or cutlets. For this, first we have to dry roast some semolina. This is half a cup of semolina, that is rava or suji. Dry roast them well. We are going to dry roast this for only few minutes. Once it starts changing color, you can switch off the flame. Semolina is ready. Next, in a pan, add 1.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. Now add the required amount of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now start adding the semolina little by little. Give a nice stir, no lump should be formed. Keep it in low flame and stir well. Let us close this and cook for a few minutes. This is ready now and almost thick. We are going to switch off the flame and let this cool. Now in a bowl, add 1 big boiled potato. Mash it well. To this, add the prepared semolina mix, 1 or 2 chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, few coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, the required amount of salt, and half a teaspoon of chaat masala. And as a binder, we are going to use 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Give a nice mix. Mixing is over. You can shape this as cutlets, but I am going to give it a shape. So pour some oil in a pan, spread it evenly. Now transfer our rava potato mix into this and level it. After flattening this, I am going to cut this as cakes, but if you want, you can always shape it as cutlets. So you can put pieces like this. So now all the pieces are ready to be shallow fried. So pour some oil in a pan. We are going to shallow fry the pieces. Turn all sides and cook properly. Cook until golden brown. These cakes will be very crispy and very tasty. Do try this at home. So our crispy rava cakes are ready. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.